Precision manufacturing starts from the smallest measure. Jianmeng four-sided V-grooving machine. Multi-core technological innovations. Redefining the industry benchmark for sheet metal processing precision and efficiency. Exclusive 7-axis control. Full servo motor drive. Equipped with bus absolute value technology. Power off memory with zero error. Ensures processing continuity. Automatic tool holder rotation. Dynamic response improved by 30%. Complex groove shapes formed in one pass. No fear of high load challenges. Hydraulic turret locking. No tool vibration in thick plate processing. Improved surface finish quality. Gantry style frame. Material processed while stationary throughout. Mirror high gloss sheet metal. Zero surface damage. Dual drive power system. Speed and torque synchronized for optimization. Industry-leading production efficiency. Continuous processing of 3mm plates. Error consistently controlled within 0.05mm. Jianmeng's proprietary operating system. Graphical interface. Intelligent calculation of inner and outer diameters. Beginners can operate proficiently within 1 day. Pneumatic clamp with fully enclosed lead screw. Automatically follows the movement of the tool holder. Wire jamming is nearly zero. Intermittent hydraulic station. Reduced energy consumption. Stable oil pressure. Core components lifespan significantly extended. Average daily capacity increased by 22%. Maintenance costs reduced by 60%. Dual safety protection. Front and rear collision dampers with optional light curtains. Quick response to sudden faults. Low alloy reinforced table surface. High anti-deformation strength. Exceptional performance. No deformation after 10,000 operations. Safety is the cornerstone of efficient production. From 7-axis full servo drive to the intelligent safety system. Jianmeng four-sided V-grooving machine with technological innovation, fulfilling the ultimate commitment to precision manufacturing.